on, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video and a brand new episode. And on the channel today I'm going to be showing you, well, I'm going to be telling you how you can have your own homemade fertiliser, and I'm going to be laying a bit down. So we mowed the grass about a week ago, and we've left it for a week, and so this is going to be good fertiliser now. So we're just going to get a handful and sprinkle a thin layer over a section of our bed. And there's two ways you can make use of this. Is the method that I just said, but you can also put it on your compost heap or your compost bin. And we're probably going to do that a little bit as well. So we're going to be using the two methods today. So this is method one, and it's just sprinkling it around really thinly around around your plants in your no-dig bed. So I'm just sprinkling a really thin layer around, not very thick at all. So this is basically a natural nitrogen feed, and the sun's coming out, so that's why I've got one eye closed and one eye open, if any of you guys were wondering. So I'm just going to get a bit more of a handful, and I'm going to put it here, a really thin layer, a little bit thick there. So we're going to be continuing putting this all the way on this bed, and then whatever excess we have left will go on our compost heap, and it will be a natural source of nitrogen, and it will rot down our what we've got in there to make our compost. It will rot down quicker, basically. So I'm just filming now, and my dad is sprinkling it around. So you can see that beetroot's getting quite big, so this will help it get a little bit bigger. But he's putting some over the back there. Some of our brassicas are getting quite big as well. There's our strawberry bed there. So yeah, that beetroot's getting quite big, so this will be a good source of nitrogen for it. So my dad's just, and I probably won't be able to get to that bit, so I would probably be filming anyway. But that's the bed that we're going to be covering. Our munch stew and our runner beans at the back there. So this will also act as a bit of a mulch, I think it's called, and a little bit of nitrogen. But yeah, our brassicas are getting quite big, and so are our leeks, and some of our spring onions. So this will be a good source of growth for them. So if you want a really cheap way to save a little bit of money, to reduce your recycling, to help your plants grow a little bit, this is a really good way using, and it acts as a mulch. It stops the weeds from growing. But if you did enjoy the Grow Your Imagination upload today, if you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and as always, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you're notified when I upload my brand new videos. As I said, if you want a cheap way to get rid of your weeds and have your plants grow a little bit taller and better, and have better harvest, without spending a lot of money, all you need is a lawnmower and a lawn. But yeah, so there's two videos popping up now. One is the how to make a trellis in under 5 minutes, and the other one is the most recent Friday night update. So there's two videos for you to choose there. But until next time, guys, bye.